What's up, brother? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what I'm going to do is show you what you need to find high products that you can sell on eBay. If I want to add a new products to my store, I'm going to walk you through step by step the process that I go through. You can use this process to sell products and make money online. This process is gonna help you to find high products. I will show you what I do step by step. I'm going to show you whatever you want to do. This is not waste any more time. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's jump right into the video. You will be able to make a little bit more money if you use this method of finding products that have a high profit. I'm going to show you today yourself, and you can use the process, and it's up to you if you don't want to sell these particular products. So make sure you watch the whole video from start to finish. Let's start. Drone camera. It's the first product that I'm going to show you today. What you need to do is go to eBay and type drone camera. So what you need to do now, just scroll down and have a look at the price point. I'm looking for around $30, $40, maybe $50. These are just selling. These are all selling for $19. This one here. So you need to scroll through and find one. Let me click on this one. Okay, straight away you can see that 27 sold and feedback is high. Now you have got an opportunity to sell. So what you need to do, you need to see if it's good at the cent sell rate on Teraback. This is a product that we can sell ourselves. So let's jump over to Teraback. I have just jumped over to Teraback research. We need to search for this product we looked at, which is drone camera. I'm going to click on fixed price and of course new and best of accepted, and then I'm going to click research. 21% sell rate. That means that you have got a 21% chance of selling your item. You need to look for 30 or maybe 35. When it comes to selling a product in eBay, I always go for products that are around 60%, but I have seen people have success at 20%, maybe 30%, maybe 40%. So just always bear that in mind. Total sales is not that impressive and sales through is not great too, but you need to try to know how it works. Now what is the next product and has a better sales through than this one and to make money online? So the next product that we are going to look at right now is called message gun. It took me sometimes to find this product. I used the competitor research method, went through various different eBay sellers account, and that's how I found this product. I came across this one. I'm just going to do my checks on it, but before that I need to show the price point. They are selling at $29 to $200. It's basically they are selling at $29 to $200. It's basically messages, different areas of your body. Potentially you're probably seen it all over the place. There is a lot of profit to make from this product. So this one looks good. So what I'm going to do now is just select one of them. Right, I'm just going to select this one right here. Right, we can see that 300 has been sold, which is a lot in the past couple of weeks. That's probably like one of the highest that I have come across. This product is being viewed and searched by a lot of potential customers. So what you need to do now, you need to click into that sold link and see how many have been sold. And from this particular product they made over $12,000. It's good, not bad. So the next step is go to over Teraback to see if it's good a high sales through or not. Now you ask me, there is so many people selling it. It has a high sales through. How would I be able to sell it? What I want you to do, I want you to brand your store, to let the customers know what they are about. You have to get customized store template logo and to have a high chance of selling. And to have a high chance of selling, you need to make sure that all your products are similar to one another, because you will make more sales if you use a specific product. You are going to be able to take over that market, and the customers are going to trust you more than the other sellers. What I want to do now is jump over to Teraback, and after that we will go to Alibaba and see if it's available or not. So let's jump over to Teraback and see the sales through. Now you need to search for massage gun. We can see that. Now you need to search for massage gun. We can see that it's got a 30% sales through, which is good, not bad. We can get a cent profit from selling this product. This product is selling well. You can see straight away that this seller has made over $9,000 here. What is the next step after that is going to Alibaba and find out if this product is available to us or not. In the next video I will show you how. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.